glider. Looks like they're getting ready to send 3 more up. They got them lined up. What are these things? Are they trailers for the gliders?
I guess. I don't know. It looks like it, huh?
Yeah, man, make a camper out of one of them.
Alaska.
Wow, yeah. These are trailers for the gliders. That looks like a drone. That one. Oh, it's a window cover. Oh, Steve's over here now.
Yeah, check it out.
Yeah, it's a trailer for a glider. I've never seen one of these going down the road. But if I do, now I know what's in it. Here comes a tow plane coming in to take another glider up. That is cool.
Coming this way.
He's coming right at us.
We're on the road.
He might need some fuel.
Still coming at us.
Oh, that is cool. I wonder how old that hangar is.
Ask him if he can do an inverted flyby.
This is cool. He's getting ready to take a glider up. Glider's testing his tail rudder. Oh, here we go. That is just cool. Wow. And there's 2 more sitting over here, waiting to go up. Wonder how high they take them.
Pilot makes a determination of where the release point's going to be.
Oh, the pilot that makes that call?
Pilot of the glider. So,
Oh, the pilot of the glider.
yeah, when they take off, the pilot of the tow plane will ask the pilot of glider, okay, what elevation are you going to disconnect? So he's ready when he disconnects. And the glider pilot will tell him 35,000 feet or whatever it is, you know. And so you'll give him a call disconnecting when he disconnects, because that makes a big difference on the tow plane, you know, on the aerodynamics.
Oh, letting go of all that drag at once, I bet.
Because he's full throttle right now. And you can tell just by listening when he disconnects, because the tow plane throttles way down.
He just did. Well, it sounded like he throttled down.
Yeah.
Marshall. Mellow Nomadic Adventures. Got Jacobson Appreciation. Desert Adventures in Arizona. Hey buddy, I need a tow.
Here's one coming in.
Oh, here's one coming in for a landing. There's 3 gliders in this shot, if you can see them. 1, 2, and I lost the 3rd one.
So he'll stay clear until this guy lands.
Wow, that's a quick turn. Wait, is he gonna land right here? Or is that he gonna land on the runway?
Line it up to go again.
Wow. It's amazing how strong them wings are to take that. It would be cool to take a ride.
Yeah. That's so awesome.
That's amazing how easy they move around.
So want to take a look? Yeah.
Oh yeah. We can take a look. Oh. There's another one taking off. There they go. Wow.
It's a trainer here.
It's a trainer? Oh, this is just neat.
Yeah.
I gotta ask, does the airplane cost more or does the glider cost more?
Well, it depends. You can spend as much money on a glider as you want.
That's what I figured.
Yeah, same with an airplane.
Pulling this one out to the runway for launch. Oh, takeoff. Not launch. Take off. See, I figured a glider would cost more than an airplane because in today's world, everything that has less seems to cost more.
Yeah. You got all that plumbing and motor. And
Yeah. Comes a glider coming in for landing. Oh, they got them anchored to the ground on this cable. Tied to the wings, tied to the cable. He kind of sideways. See how he turned sideways? That was cool. What is that, Scott? Where they put the gas?
yeah, this is where the fuel goes.
They put the gas right there. Wow. That is cool. The blue bar is for weight distribution.
They put the
The
brake.
blue lever.
It was no
You can see the blue lever
No,
for weight distribution.
Oh.
Move the weight back and forth.
Oh, okay.
This one apparently is really, really super fast. Look at the paint on the nose. This is the plane that we got to look inside of. Or glider, not plane. One more left.
he doesn't pass
wind. It doesn't matter, huh? I wonder, do they just rotate out the tow pilots, or? I seen it a couple of times in there. I thought he was smoking.
Yeah, his tow line is still attached to him.
Yeah.
Ease him up. Tighten the line up. And then they're off.
Or pass out.
And I did for a while.
Did you?
Yeah, they give you a bark bag.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a flight suit.
So were they doing rolls?
No, it was, I found out it was the last turn in here. And they have
No more gliders. That was fun. There's Scott. We seen the gliders. Yeah.
Stay hydrated.
Yes, definitely. That's what I need to do. And Steve and Marshall's up in front of us. We're following them back to camp. That was a lot of fun. If you ever get a chance to check the gliders out, go do it.